What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to find out who is the 9 giveaway winners of the Christmas giveaway. It's going to be a cool video for you guys. Of course, I'm giving back to you guys because I really appreciate you guys a lot. So thank you guys for the support. We're at about, I want to say maybe 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers back in January, and we're almost about to hit 26,000. So that's an awesome leap for just 1 year. So I do want to say thank you guys. That's why I always do the giveaways. So of course, if you guys do not win in this giveaway today, there's always going to be a lot more giveaways in the future. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn that bell notification on. And I also want to give a big thanks to all the companies that did supply these products for you guys, because without them, of course, we wouldn't be doing this video. So now let's go ahead and get into the video and just find out who won. Alright, you guys, so if you guys do remember in that Christmas giveaway that we did do, it was really easy to enter, so I do appreciate everybody that did enter into that giveaway, and I'm sure the companies also appreciate it as well. If you guys haven't checked that video out, you guys can go check it out in the description box below, just to go ahead and review all the companies and how their products work. And also, I'm going to go ahead and include all the links to all the products that we're giving away today. That way you guys can go show some support, check their websites out, and if you guys like their products, go ahead and purchase them as well. So let's go ahead and now just find out who won. Alright, you guys, so the website that I'm going to be using to actually pick the winner for me is going to be commentpicker.com. I like using that website because it does make it a lot easier for me to choose who actually entered into this giveaway that I had you guys comment on. Of course, right now, looking at my actual YouTube page, you guys can see right there, it says 25.5K subscribers. So I do want to thank each and every one of you guys for actually supporting and watching the videos throughout this whole year. As I had said, I think we were at about 3,000 subscribers back in January. So we've made a huge improvement, and I appreciate you guys for all of this, honestly. So scrolling right here, as you could tell, it says huge Christmas giveaway 2020. That's the actual video where I had you guys comment on and do the entry for this 9 prize giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. So let's go back to commentpicker.com right here. Let's go ahead and paste in the link really quick. Let's get all the YouTube comments. So whoever actually entered correctly is actually going to pop up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Now let's see who our first winner is. So we're going to have to do this 9 times, of course. So it looks like Javier Altagracia, you're going to be the first winner. So it looks like you wanted either the Easy Sync Diodynamics, or my mystery prize, or the Pedal Commander, the Screen Protect, or the Pittman Outdoors gift card. So I'm just going to go based off of your list from the first one. Congrats, man, you're winning the Easy Sync. So if you guys don't know about the Easy Sync, it's an awesome product to go check out. As I have said, all the products are going to be in the description box below. If you want to go check out their Instagrams or just their websites, go ahead and do that. But congrats, man, you're the first winner and you win the Easy Sync. You're going to love it, man, honestly. All right, so let's go ahead and find out who the second prize winner is. So it looks like Juan Mercado, you're going to be the second winner, and it looks like you did all of them. Of course, make sure to save those screenshots and all that, because I am going to ask for them. So the second prize on the list was, after the Easy Sync, it's going to be the Jesse's mystery box, which is what I'm giving away personally. So it's going to be, of course, this baofeng right here. This thing is cool because you can actually talk with your friends if they have a similar radio when you guys are off-road, of course. And I did tell you guys I'm going to throw in some mystery prizes. So I do want to give a big thanks to solvefunction.com, which I do have a 12% off discount code through their website. If you guys want it, go check out their website. See what he offers. He does a lot of custom stuff. One thing that I really like, and I have it on the truck, is for the snorkels, that little TRD that's on my snorkel. It was made through him. So go check out their website, 12% off. So basically what he threw into the mystery giveaway is going to be either a ram mount or a dash mount. Basically what this is right here, if you get one of these radios, it just slides right in. And if you guys have a ram mount in your Tacoma, this will actually hold it into place. So it's going to look really nice on your dashboard, and it's not going to be falling around or anything like that. Or you can have the choice of just getting this dash mount right here, which same thing, it slides right in, just like that, fits perfectly. You can go ahead and put some double-sided tape on this side and stick it basically anywhere on your dash. The next thing that I'm actually going to be throwing into this JesseRizo mystery box is going to be some AVS window in-channel visors. So like I have on my truck, the window visors, I'm basically throwing those into that prize. So that's an awesome prize overall. Now let's go ahead and choose the third prize winner. Let's see what you won. All right, so it looks like you followed Diode Dynamics. So Jess Barcinas, congrats, you're the third winner. Or of course winning the ditch lights from Diode Dynamics. They are the SS3 Pros. Those are the same ones that I have on my truck. They are in white and they're actually really bright. So congrats to you on winning those bad boys. Let's go ahead and now find out who the fourth winner is. All right, so Brian Pangelinen, sorry I can't pronounce your last name, but it looks like the next winner is going to be, you either chose the Diode Dynamics or the Screen Protect. So you're going to be the winner of the Screen Protect. So congrats to that. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be for your instrument cluster. It does kind of get scratched up. So you're going to win that prize along with the radio screen protector for the shifter, and it's also going to come with everything you're going to need to actually install the product. So congrats on that. It's a good win. So now let's go ahead and pick the fifth winner. Let's see who's the next one. So cross your fingers, you guys. All right, so it looks like TACOMA D is the next giveaway winner. So TACOMA D, you are of course the fifth winner. I'm going to go ahead and give you the next prize, of course, since you entered for all of them. I'm going to go ahead and give you the next prize on the list, which is going to be the Brightbox Fogster. So I do appreciate you entering. Of course, the Aspire Accessories is the one that makes it. So thank you for that. We'll go ahead and send you it out. It is the Fogster one. That's the one that I have exactly on my truck. I love it overall, especially off-road at night. It really helps out to kind of brighten up your view. You're gonna like it. All right, let's go ahead and now pick the sixth winner. All right. All right, so it looks like Hugh Nguyen, you're the sixth winner. It looks like you followed Pedal Commander, Diode Dynamics, and Screen Protect. Of course, Screen Protect and Diode Dynamics we've gave away already. So it looks like you're the winner of the Pedal Commander. So congrats to you, man. You're gonna get that. Go ahead and see who the next winner is. Right. All right, so Adam, so unfortunately you only entered into two prizes. Both of those have already been given away, so I do apologize. You're not going to be able to win anything, because that's why I had told you guys, make sure you enter into all of them. You guys will have a better chance to win. So sorry about that. Let's go ahead and now pick the next winner. All right, FJ Crusader, congrats. It looks like you actually followed all of them, so I do appreciate that. So of course the next on the list is going to be the tufskinz tailgate insert, the TACOMA tailgate insert, which is what I have on my truck as well. So that's what you won. Congrats on that. So now let's go ahead and get our next winner. All right, Shay Clayman, I do apologize, but same thing. Easy Sync and baofeng have both already been given away. So we got to pick the next winner. Nice. All right, so Ken O, it looks like you followed all of them. I also appreciate that a lot. So let's go ahead and now go down the list and see what you've won. It looks like you've actually won the Pittman $100 card. So congrats on that. Basically anything on their website, you're gonna get $100 off. So if you want to get a rooftop tent like me, $100 off, it's a great value. All right, let's go ahead and now pick the next winner. All right, so same thing, Chauvet, you only followed Pedal Commander. I do apologize, that's been given away already. Nice. All right, so it looks like this JJ Man 2X, it looks like you've been a supporter for a while, just from the excitement, and it looks like you actually followed all 9 prizes. And the funny thing is, you're the 9th winner. So congrats, man. What you're winning, honestly, you're gonna get taken very good care of. You actually won the windshield banner from my good friend Reimagine Wraps. He has an awesome shop right there in Riverside, California. But basically what you won was a windshield banner. He's gonna do the install for you as well. So you will get to meet him in person. He's gonna take really good care of you. They're really good friends of mine, and I can guarantee you, you're gonna like it. And don't forget, I mean, he is a wrap shop, so while you're there, if you want to get anything else done, he'll give you a good price. Thanks to all of you guys for all the ongoing support. Let's see where 2021 takes us, and thank you to each and every one of you guys. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. I also wanted to say, all of you guys that did win, make sure you guys send me those screenshots to either my Instagram or to my email. It's gonna be in the description box below. I need to see for proof, and that way I can send it out to you as soon as possible. As far as for the 9th winner, which is JJ, a man 2X, if you could please send me a message directly on Instagram. That way I could connect you with Reimagine Wraps, so we could go ahead and get you over there in person to get that installed for you. So if you guys like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I'm gonna go. What?
Nothing.
All right. Of course, looking right here. Oh, god damn it. Fucking people. Like, why? 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 Alright. I can't do this.